Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Nowadays after New Year I gained weight a little bit and I really kind of not feeling good about myself and not feeling healthy. So in this video I decided to share with you at the times that I feel like that, occasionally not healthy and gain a little bit of weight. What is it that I do which makes me immediately feeling much more healthy and good about myself? And it really helps me to accelerate the process of my weight loss. Of course, next to a healthy lifestyle and healthy daily diet. And above that, if you really can start going to gym, it's much better. So if you would like to do what I do, please during the times that you're doing this, avoid any unhealthy food and avoid any unhealthy lifestyle habit. Even this will help you if you do not really feel good about yourself to go and start gym. It makes you feel much better so that you can do a kickstart by this and start going to gym as well. So what I do to make myself immediately feel much better and good about myself and healthy is that I start eating this powder every morning. This is called Moringa powder, which is a plant and it's 100% organic and natural. This is a miraculous powder which immediately within the minutes, if you consume it in the morning, you will feel the difference. Apart from the fact that it helps you to lose weight and feel healthy, it's packed with so many vitamins and fiber, iron, etc. So you need to have this powder every morning on empty stomach. So basically there are a lot of recipes to prepare this powder for drinking, but my recipe is a version that it makes it really easy to drink it every morning. Otherwise, you know that this powder is really bitter and it's not really easy to drink this one on empty stomach. So if you follow my recipe, you will have a much easier time with this powder. Try to use the 100% organic Moringa powder if you want to go for this, and I will link down the organic pure Moringa powder according to the country of your residence at the description box of the video, so you can just go and grab yours if you want. But one piece of advice, please, if you're on any medication and under any medical observation, just consult your doctor before consuming this. So let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you my special recipe. To prepare this drink, we are using lukewarm water. We are not going to use boiling water because the heat is going to destroy the goodness of the powder and you will not get the full benefits. So just pour some amount of lukewarm water in a glass and add half a teaspoon of Moringa powder inside the water and stir well until you make sure all the powder has been soaked nicely into the water, and then just keep it for 1 or 2 minutes and let it nicely soak. After 1 or 2 minutes, just pour the rest of the lukewarm water inside the glass, then squeeze few drops of fresh lemon juice inside it and add a little bit of organic natural honey in it and stir well. Now this powder is ready to be consumed. Have this one on empty stomach every morning, and within minutes after drinking this powder, you will feel a huge difference in your body.